convert the decimal number into binary numbers using a calci, because sometimes you might get a question which contains a really big decimal number, then you have to use calci. So I'll tell you how it's done. So first of all, you have to press mode, then you have to press 4, and then you have to enter the number you want to convert. So that is 54, and then press the equal to sign, and then press this button. So you'll get your binary number, that is 110110. So that is what I have written here, 110110. And since 54 is having a plus sign, so plus sign is represented as 0. So I'm going to add that 0 over here, and then I'm going to calculate BR complement plus 1. So then I have QR equal to minus 13. So first of all, I'm going to write 110. You can calculate from your calci or by your own, because it's a really small number. Then you have to compare this QR with your BR along with the sign without the sign bit. So this is 6-digit code and this is 4-digit code. Then you have to add 2 zeros at the left side. Then you have to calculate the complement. So 110010 plus 1 will give you the QR, the original QR. Operation QN plus 1, AC QR QN plus 1, and sequence counter. These are the rows. So first of all, AC will be equal to 0, and the digits will be equal to the number of digits present in BR and QR, that is 7. And QR will be this that we have already calculated, and QN will always remain 0 at first, and the sequence counter here is 7. So I'm going to add, so see here, the QN present in QR, that is QN is the last digit of QR. So QN here is 1, so I've written here 1, and QN plus 1 is 0. So I've written here 0. So 1 0 is my QN plus 1. So according to the flowchart that I have shown you, when you get 1 0, you have to add BR complement plus 1 to AC. So I've done that and I've got the result. Then I have to perform a shift operation. So how that shift operation is performed? See, if this is my number, then I have to split this one into 2 parts. So I'm going to write this one 2 times, and then the rest will be copied. So the same thing I have done here, and this one is being transferred to QR, and this one has been transferred to QN plus 1. Now I've got 1 1, so I've written that over here, and so a simple shift will be performed. So again I have shifted, that is 1 has been splitted into 2 parts and the rest has been copied, and then this 0 has been transferred to QR and this one has been transferred to QN plus 1, and then again I have performed an operation, that is AC plus BR, because I have got here 0 1. So, and again I have performed a shift operation over here. Okay, you have to perform a shift operation in the next line, not on the same line. So you'll notice that the sequence counter is reduced by 1 after every shift. So now I have 1 0 in QN plus 1. So I'm going to perform AC plus BR complement plus 1 again. A shift has to be performed. Now this is 1 1. A shift has been performed. Again there is a 1 1. A shift has been performed. So I've got this answer. But this is not the final answer. Why? Because plus 54 and minus 13, when you multiply them, you'll get a negative sign. So for that, I have to convert this answer into 2's complement. So first you have to calculate the 1's complement, and then you have to add a 1, and you'll get the 2's complement. And this is my final answer. So that's all for Booth's algorithm. Thank you very much.